There's a deeper part of ourselves that isn't simply concerned about physical survival, but it's concerned about truth, being true to ourselves. And that's what's being called our essence. And that's the part that brought you here. Something in you really wants you to be yourself. And something in you really recognizes when you're not being yourself. And so in that sense, you're here to wake up. You're just here to wake up. How do we even lose ourselves? Like, what happened? What happened? And what am I afraid of? Because you're afraid of something. I'll tell you what you're afraid of. You've never met a healthy one-day-old baby who is disconnected from themselves in any way at all. If they're hungry, you'll know about it. If they're lonely, you'll know about it. If they need help, you're gonna know about it. If they're uncomfortable, you're gonna know about it. If they just want to be held, you're gonna know about it. That's being authentic. It's knowing what you feel, being able to express what you feel, and being able to ask for help if you need it. That's all there is to being yourself. And look how many of you said that I don't know myself, I'm not authentic, I don't know what I feel. Well, if you don't, something happened. Because you sure did the day you were born.